everybody, it's me, Pepe, here at North Miami with Angie. Angie, what's your last name?
Fernandez.
Angie Fernandez. And Angie is using the Moringa plant. And these are seedlings that I have here that a lot of you guys are familiar with the seedlings. Everybody talks about this plant being a very good medicinal plant. What do you think, Angie?
Tree of life.
Is it tree of life?
Yes.
Has it helped you in any way?
In everything. I had fibromyalgia, thyroid problems. I had brain surgery 9 months ago. It's helped my hair grow.
Really?
I lost 6 pounds this week when I started taking it again because you slack.
Right.
And I have them at home. I take the leaves, I dry them.
Right.
Then I blend them to make them into a powder, and I sprinkle them on all my veggies, on
Does it taste?
and everything I eat. Yummy.
You like it?
It tastes like spinach.
Some people say it's too spicy for them.
It's actually spicy, but actually I take like the tip off like this. Can I?
Yeah.
And it makes the plant grow besides you just eat it.
Right.
And it's so yummy, and it gives you a highness, like so much energy.
I get it. I got to be honest with you. 2 years ago, I learned about this plant, and I didn't really care much about it because I thought it was a bunch of crap.
I love it.
So then I started growing them, and people wanted more and more.
I can't live without them.
And you know what happened? I start eating them now in my salads, and I do feel better.
Get salads. When I go out to my backyard, I take a piece of it, I eat it, and I get this energy that I have now. If not, I would be in bed. My bones, I literally, if I don't take Moringa in 1 week, I could feel every joint in my body hurting.
Right.
Arthritis. And this takes all my pain away.
How often do you actually eat it?
I eat them every day now.
Every day?
I spend I give my body a break, and I will spend a month without eating it, or a week. So I was on 30 pills a day, and now I'm only on Ambien to sleep.
That's it. That's good.
Because I just had brain surgery, so I'm repairing
That's
my body.
Excellent. I'm really glad to meet you, and I appreciate that you said it was okay to do this video.
Yes.
So I do have your okay to put this on YouTube?
Sure, definitely.
Thank you. Show me,
because
I tell people on my website all the time to pinch them so that they get bushy.
Yeah, you just take the tip off.
Right.
Either the little tip like this.
Right. That's how you do it.
Yeah,
okay. And then I do the same thing, and I keep them bushy
and
that
you
way.
eat them. This is the best part you can eat.
And they're young leaves.
Yeah,
it's the
they're
best.
Wonderful.
Very good.
Wonderful.
That sounds good. Angie, let me shake your hand.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. This is Pepe. I'm with pepesplants.com, and I'm also with bestmoringatrees.com.
Oh, nice.
Great meeting you. I'm so happy to meet you, and I'm really glad that you're looking good and feeling good.